In an era where flexibility and mobility are becoming increasingly important, the 2025 Affinity 5 camper van emerges as a prime solution for families looking to combine travel and comfort. Designed to accommodate a family of 5, this state-of-the-art vehicle offers a blend of luxury, practicality, and advanced technology, making it an ideal choice for modern nomads. The Affinity 5 stands out with its innovative design and spacious interior. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic profile with a robust build, ensuring durability and safety on the road. The distinctive ridge green paint adds a touch of elegance, making the van not only a home on wheels but also a stylish statement. Inside, the Affinity 5 is designed to maximize space and comfort. The layout includes a large living area, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with modern amenities, and sleeping quarters that can comfortably accommodate 5 people. The use of high-quality materials and smart design elements creates an inviting and cozy environment. One of the highlights of the Affinity 5 is its integration of cutting-edge technology. The van comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen interface that controls navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. High-speed internet access ensures that the family can stay connected, whether for work, education, or leisure. The climate control system is designed to keep the interior comfortable in all weather conditions, while the advanced insulation and double-glazed windows provide excellent thermal efficiency. The lighting system includes energy-efficient LED lights with customizable settings to create the perfect ambience. Safety is a top priority in the Affinity 5. The van is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. These features help ensure a safe and stress-free driving experience, even on long journeys. Under the hood, the Affinity 5 is powered by a robust engine that delivers reliable performance and fuel efficiency. The suspension system is designed to provide a smooth ride, even on rough terrain, making it suitable for off-the-beaten-path adventures. In line with the growing trend towards sustainability, the Affinity 5 incorporates several eco-friendly features. Solar panels on the roof provide a renewable source of energy, reducing the reliance on external power sources. The van also includes a water purification system, ensuring access to clean water wherever the journey takes you. The kitchen is equipped with energy-efficient appliances, including a refrigerator, stove, and microwave. The dining area is designed to be both functional and comfortable, allowing the family to enjoy meals together in a home-like setting. Understanding that every family has unique needs, the Affinity 5 offers a range of customization options. Customers can choose from various interior layouts and finishes, allowing them to personalize the space to suit their preferences. Additional features, such as bike racks, roof tents, and extra storage compartments, can be added to enhance the van's versatility. The 2025 Affinity 5 camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile habitat that offers the freedom to explore without sacrificing the comforts of home. With its blend of innovative design, advanced technology, and sustainable features, the Affinity 5 sets a new standard in family travel. Whether embarking on a cross-country adventure or enjoying a weekend getaway, this camper van provides a luxurious and practical solution for the modern, mobile family.